To fix notification issues on the Huawei Watch Fit 4, let me quickly tell you a few tips to actually make it work. So first of all, let's go into the Huawei Health application, go for the Huawei Watch Fit 4, and from here you have to go for the notifications. Make sure that the notifications right here are enabled, and if there are still no notifications that you actually want from this particular application, take a look at this list right here of these applications which are allowed to send notifications to your smartwatch. So take a look at like for example, I don't receive notifications from Google Chrome, so I have to make sure to actually turn on this switch right here, and now I will receive the notifications from the Google Chrome. And for example, if it still doesn't work, I recommend you from the application you can also check if there's the watch connection protection actually disabled. Let's go in there, or it's enabled. I mean, you simply have to ignore battery optimization, and as you can see, this keeps Huawei Health running in the background so that notifications and incoming calls can be received normally at every time. So make sure to actually go in there, and you'll have to allow this application to run in the background, and this might also fix the problem. If this didn't actually help, then I recommend you to go into the phone settings right here, and from there you check for the notifications of this particular application right here, if it can actually send notifications. So let's go for the apps and notifications right here, go for notifications, and here you can check for these notifications of different applications right here. Like for example, it's Google Chrome. As you can see, I have these notifications enabled, and also make sure that all of these right here are enabled too. And if you still cannot actually receive any notifications, then I recommend you to go for the permissions and check the permissions on your device to actually send the notifications. So go for the permission manager, and from here you have to go find the notifications somewhere. I cannot find these for some reason, but alright, let's go for the Google Chrome. Let's select Google Chrome application, and from here you can manage the permissions. Are there any permissions for notifications? No. So alright, but in some cases, in some phones actually, there might be an option to actually manage the permissions for the notifications. So also make sure and take a look right here if it's not the case, and make sure these notifications are actually allowed right here. And what's next I can actually recommend you to do is take a look if you don't actually have enabled something like the do not disturb mode, as you can see this one right here, or the sleep mode, something like this. Some of the phones might have the sleep mode, which basically disables all of the notifications and other stuff while you are sleeping. Make sure that you have these two options disabled, and also make sure that on your watch itself you have these modes disabled. You can check that by going into the settings on your watch, and from here you have to scroll down, go for the mode, and right here you will be able to find these two modes, do not disturb and the sleep mode. Make sure these two are also disabled. And well, if this still doesn't fix the problem, you still don't receive notifications on your smartwatch, then you can also try going into the Bluetooth settings, turn on or off the Bluetooth itself, and reconnect the watch, and also take a look at the permissions of this device for the Bluetooth connectivity to actually receive phone calls, input device and contact sharing. Make sure these all are also enabled. And well, from here, if still nothing doesn't work, if you still don't receive the notifications, then I recommend you to actually try restarting your phone and your device, turning it off and back on, simply by going into the power menu and simply press restart button, and the same on your device right here. Press and hold this crown right here, and you will be able to actually restart this device by pressing this button right here. And well, this might actually help 100%. In most cases it might actually help, but if it still doesn't help you, if you still don't receive any notifications, then what I recommend you to do is actually to completely factory restore your device to factory settings and try to configuring it again with your phone. So what you have to do is get your watch and go for the settings right here, go all the way down, go for the system and updates, and from here you have this all the way down, there's the reset button. So you'll have to like erase all of the data, reset completely this device to the fresh new state, and from here begin the setup again. Try to configure this watch with the phone, and from here this might actually help with this issue. So these were all of these tips that I could give you to actually fix the notification problems right here. Thank you for watching.